Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off always on display on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next in here, I'm going to go back to settings. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Next, we scroll down and then tap on always on display. Next, to turn off always on display, tap on the toggle button. That will switch off the always on display. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can choose whether to show or hide wallpaper and notifications on the always on display. Now once it is switched on, you can see if I lock my screen, then the screen will dim and shows the always on display with a wallpaper and the clock time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.